Hey guys, back with another video, and today we are playing Booga Booga. I'm kind of in this VIP server. It's kind of public, and there's like these 3 people here, and I'm gonna try and find them because maybe they're like gods that I can try and kill. So I'll be right back when we get there. Okay, so I found the first person, and they're a god. So I'm gonna act like a noob and pretend I'm like no one. I'm just gonna like wear like the iron wool. I'm gonna secretly put on my halo. Hello. Oh my gosh. Hi. Hopefully this person isn't a bully. Oh gosh, there's another person there. I see someone's name tag. There are lots of gods. XD. Okay, I don't know when I should actually put on this armor. Do some this. He's trying to break the heart. Oh my gosh. Get some of this on. Get my blood fruit ready. And let's go. We gather. Someone said in chat. Oh gosh, I just got hearted. No, the loot! I can't get the loot out. Yo, how do I do this now? Close the door. Where's the door button? I said, I don't want someone knowing that I'm literally right there, and they're gonna be like, Now they know there's a flipping god in this hut. Might as well just go out there. Let's go, bruv. Booga booga booga. Oh no, this is GG. I'm so dead right now. Let's drop all this raw meat. And let's get ready. Let me go and get my emerald blade. He said ready to die. He's healing. No, are you ready? Lol. I think he's trying to put a god heart over me. I'm gonna put a god heart over him. I missed. Yes, we're in. But my yes. Oh. What the heck? Bruh, I'm gonna use this too. She's getting really close. Get it. I'm about to come back in this door, and they're gonna be like, yoy. And again, same person. Grr, how? Grr. Lol. I said, oh, she quits. She left the server. Oh my gosh! She left the server. We killed 2 god players. Lol, I'm gonna say GG because I don't want to be that toxic. Oh, guys, thank you for watching the video. I'll see you next time. Peace out.